Hey there, we're going to be talking about the three different types of leads: cold leads, warm leads, and hot leads. Hi, I'm Idan of Brand Centric. Alright, so what's a cold lead? Cold leads are people who require education about your business or service. You'll need to convince them why they should buy from you. What's a cold lead example? Well, people who contact you via cold calls or emails. Or you send someone you've never met an email asking for feedback on an article. Or if you've ever emailed an influencer or a business asking for something, that's a cold lead. Where do you find cold leads? Well, cold emails, cold calls, or social media DMs. Now, warm leads. Warm leads. A warm lead may show a bit of interest in your business, but they haven't chosen to do business with you just yet. It will take more effort to convey that they are the right choice for that you are the right choice for them. Warm leads may be interested in buying from a product from you, but just not now. We've all heard that. I'm ready, but just not now. They might be later on, in a week, a month. They'll get there, but just not now. Warm leads could have done the following: visited your website, signed up for your email newsletter, followed you on social, read your blog. Warm leads can turn into cold leads. We really don't want that. Warm leads can turn into cold leads. We need warm leads to turn into hot leads. What's a hot lead? Hot leads are those who need the product that you offer. They are interested in buying from you soon. A hot lead can turn into a warm lead, which can turn into a cold lead. Some examples of a hot lead are someone who has expressed interest in your product or company but does not have a sense of urgency or specific timeline for the purchase. Alright, so we want to get in this area, the hot lead area. We can start at one, the cold lead, which turns into a warm lead, which turns into a hot lead. But if we drop the ball, we can go all the way back around from warm lead to cold lead. All right? Guys, thanks for checking in. My name is Idan of Brand Centric. I'll see you next time. Bye.